All right, it's about that time. You cook steak, pizza, and breakfast food. Now it's time for you to cook the ultimate black dish, the ultimate dish to say if you know how to cook or not, and that's fried chicken. How confident are you that you can make fried chicken? On a scale from easy to hard.
Easy.
Easy? You think it's completely easy to make fried chicken?
Yes.
So you think you can open up your own Popeyes, KFC, Jubilee, whatever it's called, Dave's Hot Chicken? You think you can open your own?
Yeah.
All right, let's make it. $14? Boy, get a cheap one. Oh, that's $11. Never mind. So what do you need to make the chicken crispy?
Flour.
So where the flour at? This nigga just not looking at the price on nothing. Like at all. What you looking for?
Oil. Vegetable oil that you fry the chicken in.
What's up?
What's up?
So, what do you want to say to my Chinese fans?
I got the chicken, the oil, and the flour. We already got the seasoning at home.
That's enough oil? You sure?
I'm gonna get some more.
No, I'm saying that's cool. You probably got some at home. I already started to put some grease in there, so you need to worry about the chicken.
Okay. I need a cutting board. Where's the cutting board? It's right there.
What do you need a cutting board for?
So when I season it, it's not just on the table.
Well, you could use a bowl. Use a bowl and a cutting board. All right, I'm gonna help you with one thing. Is the grease. That's it. You're gonna season it, do everything yourself. So I'm gonna pour this grease in here, and then you do everything else.
Okay.
All right, so what you're gonna do now is get the seasonings for your chicken and take the seasonings from in there and then put them right there.
Okay. Oh, you got this one. It's a pepper.
Just tell me just tell me what seasonings you want and I'll get it for you. What else?
I think that should be it.
So you want onion powder, seasoned salt, and pepper.
Season and salt, everything?
That's all you want?
Yeah.
So them three. All right, what's next?
To season it?
Why move the stuff from right there to there to bring it back over there? That's hot grease right there. What you be trying to do is take the chicken and bring it over there. No, before you do that, it's something that you did not do.
The flour?
No. Where did you get the chicken out of?
The box.
So, you're not gonna wash it? Nothing? I mean, I thought you said it was gonna be easy, but you can't season wet chicken. Still water in here. This chicken is ice cold. You cannot make chicken that is ice cold. When you go to restaurants, they be having like A, B, or C, like for their health rating, the health department. What do you think yours would be?
Probably an A.
An A? So we came straight here from the grocery store, right?
Yeah.
What didn't you do yet?
Lost my hand.
And you had your hand. Oh, dude, what your hand was doing while the water was in there? Look, so that means, do it again. All the dirt from your hand went into the chicken. No, all the germs from your hand went into the chicken water. So what do you think your grade will be?
An A.
You know, seasoning is the most important thing with chicken. The seasoning. What are you finna season your chicken with?
Season, salt, pepper, and onion pepper. Onion powder.
All right, go ahead.
We get salt.
What is this called?
Season salt.
And what you getting?
Salt.
Okay.
That too much salt.
It literally doesn't make sense, but go ahead. You know, if you open that counter, got some gloves down there, so you ain't gotta touch it. So if you had to put a race on your chicken, what kind of chicken do you think? Keep going. So what kind of, like, race chicken are you making? White?
Like color?
No, like white, black. African American, huh?
Black.
Do you eat onions? But you cooking with onion powder.
Don't you put onion powder in it?
And that's the most you put in there. More onion than pepper. I don't know why you laughing. You gotta eat it.
A workout.
That's it. You can stop. Let me see.
That's what chicken is supposed to look like?
I don't know. You said it was easy. You not satisfied?
I think that should be enough now. You gotta go to the flour.
Why do you keep, like, dude, it's done. So what you doing?
I'm gonna put it in the bag and put the chicken in there.
Who you learn that from?
You.
Forgot about him? Forgot about him? He could have helped you be so much more easier. That should be enough now, though, right?
Even. Get a little bit more.
You ain't gonna be able to find the chicken. Huh?
I'm gonna get a glove for my right hand.
To do what?
Mix it.
The bag is how you mix it. You working harder, not smarter.
Working harder is how you make it better. If you work harder on it, that's how you make it better on it.
In this case, not with chicken. If y'all are watching, not with chicken.
I think I can find the chicken.
If you grab both the handles and shake it, that's working smarter and not harder. So all your chicken is covered. Is you satisfied with that?
Yes.
Because I'm going to do this part. How long do you want me to keep it in the grease? How long do you want me to keep it in the grease?
However long you're supposed to.
How long are you supposed to?
I'll say 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Right.
Okay, 30 minutes.
No, I'll say 20.
20. Dude, give me a number.
I don't know how long you're supposed to cook it.
Well, how long? What do you think you're supposed to do if you don't know?
Like 10 or 20.
Dude, you can ask Google.
Hey Google. Hey Google. How long should you cook chicken in oil?
On the website themodernproper.com, they say, in general, it'll take about 12 to 18 minutes. Checking the internal temperature is the best way to know if your chicken is done, especially if you're new at this. 165 degrees Fahrenheit is the safe temperature for chicken thighs.
12
Don't be
minutes.
afraid to poke a meat
12
thermometer
minutes?
through the crust to check the
Set a timer.
Hey Siri. Hey Google. Set a timer for 12 minutes.
Okay, 12 minutes. Starting now.
All right, so this is the fried chicken. Oh, dang, I got all flats. I'm a bad bee. But anyways, mix it up a little bit. So this is the woo-wop chicken. As you can see, I'm not gonna lie. You're supposed to cook chicken for like 15 minutes. You did 12. So I'm gonna try it first, and then I'm gonna and I'm gonna just see if it's safe to even eat. All right.
Rate it 1 out of 10.
Well, I didn't eat it yet. Well, first of all, don't smell like, taste like, smell like booty because you didn't wash your hands.
I did wash my hands.
I know, it's just
chicken.
It's just chicken.
I still gotta try it.
It's like a, out of 10, I give it like I'm gonna tell my camera myself. You tell me how you like yours.
Not bad. I'll say it's like a 7 or 8.
Can't say 7.
Why?
Everybody says 7.
8.
8? Alright. I'm sorry, I'll visit back. Alright, I ain't gonna lie. Well, people don't eat chicken plain anyway.
You got some ketchup or barbecue at least.
We don't eat fried chicken with ketchup.
You could eat a barbecue. Is it good?
It's better than, you know how to cook better than your mama. At 8.
That's a start.
It's good. It just don't taste like nothing, but it ain't nasty. I thought it was gonna be nasty, but it's not. So,
Like you would eat it if you had to?
yeah. So it ain't bad. But it don't taste like, it ain't bad at all. So you, what, 4 for 4? Pizza, steak, breakfast, and now fried chicken. W-Wop.
W-Wop. Not W-Wop, just Wop. 'Cause I already got a W.
Yeah.
W-Wops.
Yeah!